Hey guys, it's me, Jace, back with another video, and today I'm playing Fun Run 2 with my best friend, Joah. Yeah, I'm doing collab with Joah the Chicken. So yeah, comment down below, subscribe, and like this video. Let me add Gustavo again because he's nice. I don't care if he's offline. He's gonna get a lot of requests. Let's see what set I get. Fire set! I'm gonna go to Frosty first. Joe, I got fire set, so I'm gonna kill you. I killed Joe. I'm in first, please. Joe, I oh my god. Die. That bunny looks cool. Oh. Joe, I'm stuck right now. I'm embarrassing myself.
I'm right behind second.
You're lucky. So you're in third. Joah, why'd you kill me?
Hey, whenever you ask the question, he doesn't say whenever
Ah.
I got a new
Joah, say hi to my channel.
hi channel. What's your name?
Jace. Oh guys, go follow me and Joah on Fun Run 2. His name is right here. I'll circle it with y'all right here. Joah YouTube. We're twins, and I'm over here Bowser Jr. Cause he's my favorite character from SML. So yeah, be a pepper. Y'all always gotta be a pepper. And I guess a chicken.
Yes.
I guess. No.
How about somebody pick a bunch of peppers in a chicken?
No, peppers. Oh, it could be a hot chicken.
Yeah, hot chicken. Everyone
Spicy chicken. Y'all get that.
hot and spicy chicken there.
Oh my god.
Always be a hot and spicy chicken, guys.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that for my new merch.
Ha.
I don't have merch yet, but I soon will have it, so y'all gotta wait, okay? Don't be
You
picky.
never had merch. You just like me, Dave.
I never said I had merch. I said I wish I had merch. And Joah's over here acting like he's all cool that has merch.
No. I didn't want it. I never said, oh my goodness, I have so much merch.
Yes, you act like you're famous at school.
No.
Guys, comment down below if you think Joah's annoying with his merch and stuff. Okay, okay. I only have a little bit of coins because I'm not that.
Okay, I'm gonna post that video whenever it's like post.
You haven't made a video?
Yes.
Oh, you're making it right now? You didn't do your intro. You didn't say hi guys, it's Joah the Chicken or anything like that.
Because you did it for me.
I hate you.
Okay.
Are you gonna post it?
It's 5 minutes for our.
You've been calling for 33 minutes. Yesterday we called like 5 times and that all equals like 2 hours. Fly like a little bit. Ow! I wanna have penny power. We called it penny power because it has a balloon and Pennywise has a balloon. Guys, comment down below if y'all have this game and y'all can follow me and Joah on here. I will add y'all back. Bang bang.
You know what Fun Run 3 and we'll download it, make an account, so. Because I already have Fun Run 3.
Yeah, but I don't have enough space. So, I'm just bouncing.
I told you I have like 22 gigabytes left my own time.
I'm humiliating myself in this game. Ow!
gonna go ahead of me and
No,
I don't
I do not really care. I don't have that much. So guys, I don't know what y'all do, but if y'all have this game, go follow me. Okay. It's right here, Bowser Jr. And I look sick as heck. I look like a gamer. So yeah.
Yeah. We both look like he tried to make it look like Bowser Jr.
Yeah, because he has spikes. So I
He had spikes on his back, so he used the spiky helmet.
Do y'all want me? Comment down below if you want me to put sound on my video for this game because I can't really hear Joah, so yeah. And this is the only way we could do our collab because we couldn't think of anything else.
Yeah. And then like there is one way. Wanna know that one way?
One way. No, not that way. Y'all can't know about that way.
Yeah. That's up to that way. What?
What place did you come in?
I was about to finish first. And that like Esther chameleon thing went up ahead of you. Said to first. Wait. I would have given you credit for second. But now I gotta give you credit for third.
Oh, I forgot to say this. Oh no, that's my outro. That's my outro I was supposed to say. Y'all right here, if y'all watching my channel, y'all go subscribe. Please, I need new subscribers. And we post every freaking week.
No, you know what's weird?
I post like 4 times a month.
You know what's weird?
What?
A bunch of people like, you know how like SML has like 300 million views, but only 5 million subscribers?
Yeah.
Why do they have 3 million views but only 5 million subscribers?
They don't have 5 million. They have a lot.
You know,
No, they have 2 digits. I don't know. Yes. Super Mario Logan.
Exactly. You don't know how much? Can't you so hard? I wish I get so much magnets to bring you closer.
Guys, I suck at this game. Comment down below if you're good at this game. Because I suck.
And also comment down in my video, hashtag.
Comment down below, hashtag Jace you suck. Okay.
You just learned some stuff right there. Yay!
Joah!
I love this kind of
How dare you. Joe, I'm gonna do one more round. Guys, comment down below what game should I play next because I need to play more games.
I'm gonna buy snorkel. Oh, that was really cool.
Joe, you didn't request me a game yet. There you go.
Look at my feet, dude.
Ew, they're ugly.
That's kind of cool to me.
Those are for skate people. I don't know. Joe, how long is your video so far? I'm Pennywise. I have penny power. Look, penny power. I'm Pennywise. We call it penny power is because it's basically like a power or something. And Pennywise has a balloon, so.
Guys, every time you say Pennywise, ask him about Penny. He'll teach you a lot about Penny.
Penny power is basically the balloon we get on Fun Run, and we call it penny power is because it has a balloon, and you know Pennywise has balloons.
Go check out it.
Oh yeah, go subscribe to Joah the Chicken. I'm gonna mock you like your first video. Go support him, cause I did the same thing.
Yeah.
I killed myself in the sky. That was funny. I sound so sick. Guys, comment down below if I sound sick. I'm saying a lot of comment down below, so don't judge me. Hashtag don't judge me.
No, the only thing you have to comment down on my video.
Every time I text Joah, I always put low.
I know, that gets so annoying. I don't even know why people use
Joah, say bye to my channel. So we're gonna do one more round. One more round, y'all.
Come around. And I'm gonna keep on recording.
I got an air set. An air set.
The only thing you have to put in my comments is hashtag is that a fun run or something. And
No, I'm putting.
hashtag,
No, the video's gonna be called Collab with Joe the Chicken.
and then you have to comment down hashtag annoying sister.
Oh,
I
no.
got teddy power, dude.
I got something. I'm flying in the air. I'm gonna kill you, Joa.
Everyone's awesome. Everyone got teddy power. You're bad at fun run. You need to get pet power.
I know, bruh.
I feel like you were three.
I suck. I've been getting 4th place, and y'all over here getting like 2nd and stuff. No, that blade better not. Ooh, that hit me.
Guys, if you think that Chase is good at getting a place, like a certain place and running, he's just good at getting 4th.
You're mean.
He's really good at getting in 4th place. Mine is probably like 3rd, sometimes 2nd.
The reason why I'm not using my face cam because I look ugly right now. So.
Maybe the other time where you think you're just off face cam for that one reason.
Yeah, because my shirt was all. Nobody needs to see that.
Stop wanting to face cam on there in the first place. Look how far I went. Look at my video. I went like almost all the way to the wall.
Joey, you came last place.
No, I didn't. I came behind Joey YouTube.
Oh. Okay, y'all. Joe, say bye to my channel.
Bye, Jason's channel.
You know what I say at my end of my videos. Be like a pepper, hot and spicy. Bye.